And the race is on. Mr. Environment rushing up is Balik-Balik. In between runners is Mayor Bulaklakin, My Perpy, and Kerpy. Treasure is the early trailer. The favorite, Balik-Balik, by about 2 lengths, followed by Mayor Bulaklakin. And racing on the outside is Carefree Treasure, My Perpy down on the inside, and Mr. Environment. Passing the half-mile pole, it's Balik-Balik by about 3 lengths, followed now by Carefree Treasure. Mayor Bulaklakin is running in third by Daral, moving up by Daral fourth, My Perpy, and Mr. Environment. And rounding the far turn, Balik-Balik by only 2 lengths, followed by Carefree Treasure. Mayor Bulaklakin sneaking by Daral, My Perpy, as they race the final corner, Balik-Balik by about 2 lengths, followed now by Mayor Bulaklakin. Carefree Treasure running in third by Darrell's My Perpy, Mr. Environment. And nearing the finish line, the favorite, number 5, Balik-Balik by about 3 lengths. And finally, number 5, Balik-Balik. Mayor Bulaklakin, My Perpy, Mr. Environment, and Carefree Treasure comes last.